Welcome to the deep dive into SpaceX's unprecedented successes. 2023 has proven to be a landmark year for SpaceX. They've rewritten the rules of aerospace engineering and exploration. Let's start with the Falcon 9's stellar performance. The reusable rocket has transformed space travel into a sustainable, cost-effective reality. Next, we talk about the revolutionary Starship. This spacecraft has enabled SpaceX to accomplish beyond-Earth orbit missions, including putting humans on Mars. The Crew Dragon has made space accessible. Its repeated missions have opened the final frontier to private astronauts and scientists alike. SpaceX's Starlink project is not just about internet connectivity. It's about bridging the digital divide, reaching the unreachable, and connecting the unconnected. So here's to SpaceX and their monumental 2023. They've shown us that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.